Hello everyone, welcome to our sessions Indian Geography. As we discussed earlier also that how in the preliminary examination Indian Geography is a pivotal part, and it was very important conceptual based questions that are based on your basically based on your not only the factual part, also it also correlate your conceptual part also. Without understanding conceptual understanding, it is very difficult to um, know it, to get it through. So let us go for it. Now the discussions, first we'll start the Indian geography. Then see, in context with the monsoon winds, consider the following statements. First question, that they are generally, just 1 second. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, first question is in context to the, just a minute. In context with the monsoon winds, consider the following statements. They are generally regular and equally distributed winds. Regular and equally distributed winds. They show a complete reversal of direction during a year. They are generally orographic in nature. Basically, they are generally orographic in nature. So, which of the statements are? Question is that above the statements each are correct. Only 1, 2 is correct. Only 2, 3. Only 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let us analyze. They are generally regular and equally distributed winds. It's wrong. They are not equally distributed winds. They are not equally distributed winds. They show complete reversal of direction during a year. Yes, it is correct. And they are generally orographic in nature. Yeah, it's correct. Orographic in nature. So answer is your 2, 1, 3. B for Bombay. Okay. Well, after every two subsequent questions, we will discuss the answer. Okay. Next, we'll see the origin of which among the following rivers is in Tibet. The origin of which among the following rivers is in Tibet. That is Satluj River, Indus, and Ghagra River. Okay. The correct options code given below is Satluj, Indus, and Ghagra, the Tibet. Your Satluj is correct, Indus is correct, and the Ghagra in the Indus. Yes, it is also correct. So answer is your D for Delhi. Okay, we'll see next. So answer is B here, as we know. Answer is B here. Then if I know about the monsoon, they are generally regular and equally distributed winds. They are generally regular and equally distributed winds. This is incorrect. Why I said why it is incorrect? As I said earlier, monsoon winds are irregular. They are the most irregular winds. Okay, they are the most irregular wind. Okay, they are the most irregular wind. They are the most irregular wind. Right? Just 1 second. Wind. Achha. Monsoon winds are not equally distributed winds because they do not blow evenly. They are not equally distributed because Sometimes, if you say the western coast of India, they are getting maximum rainfall, where the Coromandel coast even not a single drop there. Means, I mean, since it is bypass or some of the your relief or topographical feature, they are bypassed there. So because they do not blow evenly, this is the reason of unequal distributions of rainfall all over the India. That is the main thing. They show a complete reversal of direction during a year. They show a complete reversal of direction of wind during a year. During a year, they show a complete reversal of wind during a year. It is correct because since, let me draw the diagram here. It is will be more clear. Okay. See, southwest monsoons, they generally penetrate in this year. Okay, southwest winds, they generally penetrate. Okay. Next, we will see. Here it is the northeast monsoon. Okay. So northeast monsoon is basically, they came from here. Northeast monsoon, they basically come from here, northeast direction. So if you can see here, one is coming in southwest direction and other is coming in the northeast directions. They are in from the northeast directions and they are coming from the southwest direction. Okay, northeast and these are the southwest direction. This is also, we can say, see, there is a reversal of monsoon winds, as it is clear from the diagram itself that they are particularly, they show a complete reversal of direction during a year. This is correct also. This is also a correct statement if we say is the main feature of monsoon winds, that they are generally orographic in nature. Orographic means they climb the mountains. Orographic means, we can say, orographic means they mountain climbing. Orography means mountain climbing. This is also correct statement. Rainfall due to the monsoon winds is mainly orographic in nature, means in relief, particularly in India. It's orographic in nature, that is particularly also correct statement. So we can say, considering above all this discussion, we can say the only 2 and 3 answer is correct. Okay, next. See, these are all are correct answers. As I said earlier also, the origin of the among which of the following rivers is in Tibet. Tibet, again diagram, you can see the Tibet. Let me see here. Okay. Just देखिए, Tibet area is this one. This is Tibet area. This is Tibet. Okay, this is Tibetan highland. Ghagra is a transboundary perennial river that originate on the Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar. Okay, it is near Lake Mansarovar. Here it is the Lake Mansarovar. Here Tibetan plateau. Here it is Lake Mansarovar. Ghagra is in transboundary perennial river on the Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar. This is the place Tibet, and here it is Mansarovar. Here it is Mansarovar. It cuts through the Himalaya in Nepal and joins the Sarda River at the Brahma Ghat in India. As I said, it cuts through the Himalayas in Nepal and joins the Sarda River. Okay, Himalaya Nepal re. It cuts through the Himalaya in Nepal and joins the Sarda River, particularly at the Brahma Ghat in India. Indus River originating in the Tibetan plateau of Western China, where in Indus River also that joins and it slopes down here, and it again slopes down and enter to the Pakistan, like this one. This one is your Indus. Okay, where Indus River is originating in the Tibetan plateau of the Western China, in the vicinity of Lake Mansarovar. Okay, in the vicinity of Lake Mansarovar, in the Tibetan Autonomous Region. The river runs a course through the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir, and then enters Pakistan via the northern areas. That is Gilgit-Baltistan. Okay, Pakistan area, Gilgit-Baltistan area. Then it enters, flowing through the north in a southerly direction along the entire length of Pakistan, it to merge Arabian Sea near the port city of Karachi. Okay, then after flowing through a long stretch, it near port city, that is near Mount Kailas. So it is the longest of 5 rivers that flow through the historic crossroad Satluj of the Punjab in the northern India and Pakistan. Originates near Lake Rakshasthal. 8 Lake Mansarovar joti achi ta pakhare eti Satluj varche Lake Rakshasthal in Tibet near Mount Kailas, and it flows generally west direction it flow korche, and southern and southwest entering India through the Sipkhela Pass in Himachal Pradesh. It enters the Sipkhela Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Next, Satluj River. It is the longest of the 5 rivers that flow through the historic because Indus ro jeti tributaries achhanti ta vitre Satluj hela the longest one. Satluj hela sabutu lamba river, Satluj. Next, देखिए, consider the following statements about the Bhungro technology. Okay, we'll see. Consider the following. Next question. Consider the following statements about Bhungro technology. The technology is most prevalent in southern India. The technology is most prevalent in southern India. The technology helps in supplying water in dry months and lessens the salt content in the soil. Bhungro technology kaun kare? Is the most prevalent in southern India. Southern India is most prevalent. The technology helps in supplying water in dry months. Water supply and lessens the salt content in the soil. So it is wrong. Bhungro technology, South India, Western India, helps in supplying water in dry months and lessen the salt content in the soil. This is correct. So only 2 is correct. B for Bombay. We'll discuss this question. Next, which of the following regions of India is best suited to cotton cultivation? Cotton cultivation पे best किए Deccan Plateau, Northeast India, Indo-Gangetic Plain, East Coastal Plains. The following regions of India is best suited to cotton cultivation. It is answer is your A. That is your Deccan Plateau. 4 is A. 3B, 4A. Yeah? 3B, 4A. First statement is incorrect because this technology is most prevalent in Western India, especially in Gujarat. Gujarat basically cotton cultivation by black soil. Best let me draw a diagram to be more clear. Black soil is considered the best for the cotton. Black soil is mainly found in the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau जोड़ा कि mostly in Telangana, Maharashtra, and then particularly you can say Telangana, Maharashtra, and here it is also southern Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. So most of the cotton cultivation is confined to these regions. However, cotton also grows well in the alluvial soil also, Satluj Ganga plain. Red laterite soils through the applications of fertilizers and manures. About 70% of the total cotton is produced in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. 70% of the total cotton productions produced is in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So this is all about the Deccan Plateau जोड़ा grows well होचे. Next we'll see consider the following lakes, that is Lonar Lake, Chilka Lake, and Ular Lake, which are the saline lakes. Consider the following lakes: Lonar Lake, Chilka, and Ular Lake. Which of the lakes are saline lakes particularly? Chilka, Lonar, and Ular Lake, you can say. So saline lake we can say, Ular Lake is a freshwater lake, but so 3 is cancelled. So Lonar, Chilka is also brackish water lake, it's cancelled. Chilka is also saline and plus brackish. So here option it is accordingly it is given 1 and 2 only. So 1 and 2 is correct only. But had there been only 1, then we can understand intelligently. Say is what question can deal करियो. चिल्का है तुम्हारा ब्रैकिश वाटर लेक, लोनार है तुम्हारा महाराष्ट्र बुलदाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे, लोनार भी है तुम्हारा पूरा कंप्लीटली योर सॉल्ट लेक, सलाइन लेक. So this case रे हमें बुझीजिबा कि particularly लोनार is your salty lake, saline lake, and chilka is in saline plus your fresh water lake, so brackish. तो एक केस जदि only 1, suppose it is 1 दे था, if it is had it been given only 1 options, then we could have choose this one, only 1 option बोली हमें नहीं था. But since it is 1 option is not there and it has given only 1 and 2, so here we can choose the answers as 1 and 2 only, that is your A. Okay, 5 is A. Next, Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Power Project. I said Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Power Project is associated with which of the following rivers? Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Power Project is associated with which of the following rivers? Luni, Narmada. It is Luni, Narmada, Chambal, Luni, Narmada, Chambal, and Sabarmati. Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Project, Luni, Narmada, Chambal, and your Sabarmati. Omkareshwar is basically on the river Narmada. Okay, on the river Narmada, it is there. Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Project. So answer is your Bipo, Bombay. Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Project, मागे it 6 number question discuss. So Omkareshwar Hydroelectric Project is situated near Omkareshwar Temple. It is situated near Omkareshwar Temple. Near Omkareshwar Temple in Mandhata village in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. It is in the Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. This hydroelectric project is built over the Narmada river. Narmada river upare hi eta bana heichi Omkareshwar hydroelectric project, right? So here we can say the Omkareshwar hydroelectric project is situated near the Omkareshwar temple in that is Omkareshwar temple is in Mandhata village in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. This hydroelectric project is built over the Narmada river. Narmada river upare hi eta built heichi. ठीक है. Lonar Lake is a saline soda lake located at Lonar in Buldhana district of Maharashtra. Lonar Lake is a saline soda lake located at the Lonar in Buldhana district of Maharashtra. Chilka Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over Puri, Khordha and Ganjam district. Chilka is a brackish water lagoon spread over Puri, Khordha and Ganjam district of Odisha. Chilka Lake is covering, if I draw the map of Odisha, if I say the Chilka Lake is covering this one, Chilka Lake more importantly, this is, let's say Chilka Lake. This suppose Ular is one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia. Obviously, it is located in the Bandipur district of Jammu and Kashmir. The 25 called Lonar Lake is an saline soda lake at Lonar in Buldhana district of Maharashtra. Chilka Lake is an brackish water lagoon spread over the Puri, Khordha and Ganjam district of Odisha. So it is an Lonar ela tomar Buldhana district Maharashtra re. Chilka ela brackish water tamane brackish water kon mane salt water and fresh water दुईटाको मिसिकी हेले तमरा brackish water हबो. Puri, Khordha, Ganjam district रे होची. Ular Lake is one of the largest freshwater lake in India. Ular is the largest freshwater lake in Asia. It is located in the Bandipur district of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Bandipur district रे. Okay. Next question देखो. With reference to the Aravalli ranges, which among the following observation is correct? They are the Old Ford Mountains, they have been highly eroded by the agents of gradation. Highly eroded by the agents of gradation. There are numerous rift valleys in the Aravalli region. There are the numerous rift valleys in Aravalli region. Numerous rift valley. So we can say this one. Aravalli ranges, correct. Observations. They are the old fold mountains. Yes, this is correct. Aravalli is the old fold mountains. They have been highly eroded by the agents of gradation. Yes, that is also correct. Agents of gradation means river, your river mane fluvial, then your wind, mainly, and groundwater also. There are numerous rift valley. There are numerous rift valley in the Aravalli region. No, it is not correct. It is not. That is, Aravalli is a fold mountain and there is no rift valleys in the Aravalli region. So answer is your A. Only 1 and 2 is correct. Which of the following crops are included in the National Food Security Mission? National Food Security Mission re following crops are situated: cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. So we can say cotton, jute, sugarcane, and oil palm. National Food Security Mission re जब हमें देखिए mostly oil palm छोड़ा, oil palm is not there. So if they eliminate करिए, fourth eliminate 1 2 yeah. So only 1 2 3. National year only 1 2 3 माने cotton, jute, and sugarcane. Cotton, jute, and sugarcane. Next देखिए Aravalli जोटा हमें देखते ले सेटा वाला तुम्हारा third statement is wrong or it is incorrect. That means there are numerous rift valley in Aravalli region. सेटा wrong थिला जोटा कि इतरे हमें 3 number minus कला करो and answer is 1 and 2. Next देखिए which of the following crops are included in the National Food Security Mission? Oil palm छोड़ा cotton, jute, sugarcane देखियो ठीक है. In 2004-5 till 2013-14, the oil seeds, pulses, and maize, the oil seed, pulses, and maize were included. The oil seeds, pulses, and maize were included in the integrated schemes of oil seed, pulses, oil palm, and maize program. In 2014-15, pulses and maize were removed to National Food Security Mission, while a different missions of national missions on oil seed and oil palm, including the tree-borne oil seeds, that is TBO, was launched. Thus, oil seeds are not under the NFSMs as of now. NFSM, National Food Security Missions, has in 5 components. For example, NFSM rice, NFSM wheat, NFSM pulses, and NFSM core cereals and NFSM commercial crops. Core cereals and commercial crops. Rice, wheat, pulses, core cereals, and commercial crops. So this is the reason why under the National Food Security Missions program, your answer A is correct. Okay, next. Just 1 minute. Let's consider the following statements. Allahabad Haldia stretch, Allahabad Haldia stretch of Ganges, Bhagirathi and Hooghly river system. As I said, Allahabad Haldia stretch of Ganga, Bhagirathi and Hooghly river system in India is India's first national waterway. Allahabad Haldia stretch. National waterway in India are declared by legislation. Which among the above statements are correct? Allahabad Haldia stretch of Ganga's Bhagirathi Hooghly river system is India's first national waterway. Which among the following above statements are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one and two. So, national waterway in India are declared by legislation. This is also correct. So, answer both 1 and 2 are correct. We'll discuss this one. Next question, consider the following statements. The tropic of Cancer passes through 6 states of India. The tropic of Cancer passes through 6 states of India. While moving from westwards towards India, Oman is the last country on land through which Tropic of Cancer passes before entering India. As I said, while moving the west towards India, Oman is the last country on land through which Tropic of Cancer passes before entering India. So first, it is wrong. It is not 6 country. This is wrong. It is not 6 country. It is 8. Okay. Then Oman is the last where the Tropic of Cancer before entering India. Yes, it is correct. Oman is the last one where before entering India, Oman in Africa is the last country. This is correct. So here, which one of the following is correct? Only 2 is correct. Next, the first statement is incorrect because Tropic of Cancer passes through the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Right? This is your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is the state that we are arranging from west to east. Now it is a 702. When I mean 700 to 900 meter. And it just one down, not even 1 kilometer is also. That is what the Aravalli is now. The natural history of the Aravalli range dates back to the times when the Indian plate separated. So you can say this is the pre-Cambrian era, which is dated back to 3,500 million years back. 3,500 million years back Aravalli mainly. So Aravalli, Aravalli is the oldest fold mountain in India. Even if Vindhyas is also there, but Vindhya to बेसी oldest हो तुम्हारा Aravalli. Next, roof. This is the Roof is a folk dance, particularly Roof is a folk dance. It has its origin in which of the following states? Roof is a folk dance, particularly. It's a folk dance. Folk dance, which are the following states? It has the origin Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, and Kashmir. Roof is a folk dance, particularly Himachal, Assam, Mizoram, and Kashmir. The roof dance, it is basically folk dance. It is basically roof folk dance is in your Himachal Pradesh. It is in the Himachal Pradesh. So we'll see next, which Indian state has its name of the 5 rivers that once flows through the state? West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat. So it is none other than it is B, Punjab. Let's see the answer now. Roof is in folk dance. Roof is in folk dance. So your answer is your Kashmir. It was in D for Delhi. What on the answer? Roof is a folk dance from which is mainly practiced by the women folk. Roof dance basically women folk of the Kashmir Valley, particularly. Dance from which the mainly practiced by the women folk of the Kashmir Valley, particularly Kashmir Valley. Roof is a customary dance and is performed during Eid and Ramzan festival. It is basically performed during the Eid and Ramzan festival. Eid or Ramzan festival mainly roof folk dance देखा हुए. This dance is performed by women in 2 groups. This particular dance is performed by the women in 2 groups. Mainly practiced by the women folk of the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley women folk रे देखा जाए particularly. Then देखिए Punjab is one of the Kashmiri Ramzan festival होगी basically Eid और Ramzan रे. Punjab is one of the richest state of India. The origin of its name is from the 5 rivers that once flowed through the state. It is on the 5 rivers that once flowed through the state basically. Punjab. These rivers are Ravi, B, Satluj, Jhelum and Indus. Post-independence part of Punjab now lies in Pakistan but still retains the same name. Punjab is one of the richest state of India. The origin of its name is from the 5 rivers that once flowed through the state. These rivers are Ravi, Bees, Satluj, Jhelum, and Indus. These rivers, these are the Ravi, Bees, Satluj, Jhelum, and Indus. Ravi, Bees, Satluj, Jhelum, and Indus. Post-independence part of Punjab is now lies in Pakistan, but still remains the same name particularly. Next, on which of the river is the Bhakra Dam is built? Bhakra Dam ta kahan par hai? Hello, Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. Hello, Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. Your answer is it is Bhakra Dam. It is on the river Satluj. Hello, it is on the river Satluj. Let's know now. Bhakra Dam विषय यदि जानिबा, this is the Bhakra Dam. Bhakra is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River. The Satluj River in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, in northern India. The dam forms Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam is located at the gorge near upstream, that is Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh, which is height is near about 226 meter. Right? Height is about 226 meter. Right? Particular code Satluj River, Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh ra Bilaspur re achi. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir, particularly the Gobind Sagar Reservoir dams are achi. Then the dam is located at a gorge near upstream the Vakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh, which is Vakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh, which is height of 226 meter, 226 meter height. Bhakra dam is basically is a concrete gravity dam, concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River. Okay, Satluj River upare in Bilaspur, concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh in northern India. Concrete gravity dam and the Satluj River in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh in northern India. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir. Gobind Sagar Reservoir dam form Gucci. The dam is also located at a gorge near the now submerged the upstream of Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. The dam located at a gorge near the upstream, that is Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. Bartaman kon heichi e jo Bhakra au Nangal, actually Bhakra and Nangal are the jodi question jodi dekhiyo tome kon deche Bhakra Nangal. Bhakra, they are the both two different rivers. Bhakra is one and then it is your Nangal. Both are the two different rivers. So let's Bhakra is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Satluj River upar on the Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh in northern India. The dam forms Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam is located at a gorge near now submerged upstreams of Bhakra village in the Bilaspur. Excuse me. Sorry. The dam forms the Gobind Sagar Reservoir. The dam is located now Excuse me. The Bhakra, this is the Satluj River, Bilaspur, and the dam is located goes near the now submerged upstream of Bhakra village in the Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. This height is near about 226 meter. The length of the dam is measured from the road above 518.25 meter and the width is 9.1 meter. Its reservoir is known as Gobind Sagar, stores up to 9.3 billion cubic meters of water. है ना, बेसिकली कौन हुए इरा that store करे. The length of the dam is near about 518.25 meter and the width is 9.1 meter. It is otherwise known as Gobind Sagar. है ना, Gobind Sagar को it store up to 9.34 billion cubic meters of water. The 90-kilometer long reservoir created by the Bhakra Dam is spread over an area of 168.35. It is basically created. It is 168.35 kilometer square meter, but it's also a huge area. If I draw the map here, it will be more clear now. This is the place, Punjab. This is the place where Himachal Pradesh. It is the length of the dam is near about that is created by the Bhakra Dam. It's spread over an area of 168.35 square kilometer. Describe as the this is Bhakra Dam. This is the total the Bhakra Dam, that is spread over an area of 168 square kilometers. Described as the new temple of Resurgence of India by the Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. The dam attracts tourists from all over the sites, particularly. This describes the new temple Resurgence of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. This particular dam was constructed during the time of the late former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the first where he described the dam attracts because of this dam. Many tourists have invited to here. The first Prime Minister of India. The dam attracts tourists from all over the India. Bhakra Dam is 15 km from Nangal city to 15 km and 20 km from the Naina Devi town. Naina is Nainital Pakhare, Naina Devi Mata ka Mandir. Naina Devi Manga Mandir Pakhare, Naina Devi town is there. Naina Devi Mata temple. Naina Devi Mata temple Pakhuru. It's only 20 km and it is Bhakra Dam, which is 15 km from the Nangal city. 15 km from the is 15 km from the Nangal city. The